Welcome, everyone, to our cooking tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious and flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion: egg fried rice with soy and ginger. This recipe is simple to make and packed with nutrients, so get ready to cook up a storm. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this scrumptious meal. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked jasmine rice, 1 cup chopped mixed vegetables: bell peppers, carrot, peas, and snap peas, 1 cup sliced chicken or shrimp, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 clove minced garlic, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper minus 1/4 teaspoon salt. Optional toppings: chopped green onions, sesame seeds, or chopped cilantro. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. Cook the rice. Start by heating 2 cups of water in a large pan. Once the water is boiling, add the cooked rice and a pinch of salt. Stir well to combine, then reduce the heat to low and cover the pan. Cook the rice for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it's tender and most of the water is absorbed. Remove the pan from heat and set aside. Step 2. Season the rice. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and heat over medium-high heat. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger, then stir well to combine. Let the garlic and ginger cook for about 30 seconds, or until fragrant. Then add the soy sauce and black pepper to the pan. Stir well to combine, and let the sauce cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it thickens slightly. Step 3. Add the ingredients. Now it's time to add the vegetables and protein to the pan. Stir well to combine, and then add the cooked rice to the pan. Let everything cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the rice is heated through and the flavors have melded together. Step 4. Add the toppings, optional. If you'd like, you can add some extra flavor and texture to your egg fried rice by adding some chopped green onions, sesame seeds, or chopped cilantro. Stir well to combine, and serve your dish hot. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious egg fried rice with soy and ginger recipe that's perfect for any meal. Enjoy!